Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, and it's another random day where I'm with him. So today we are home alone. Engineer mom is home alone with Baraka, and yeah, we're just going to do some things. And I felt like, why not record it for you? Hey, don't eat it. Yeah, this is the channel where you get to live life with us, and today is a random day. Um, so we're going to cook chicken pilau. Let's hope it turns out well. Of course, I've already noticed there are some things that are missing, but then we're going to chop the chicken together with you, and then we put it on fire to be boiling, and we go and buy the remaining things. Yeah, so the two of us are cooking. If you haven't watched the two of us cook, we started it long time ago when he was only 9 months. At 9 months, we made chapati together with him. So if you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it onto this. I'm going to link it in the description, and yeah, you can tap the link up here and watch how we cooked at 9 months, and now you're going to watch how we cook at 1 year, because we are exactly 1 year 1 week, right? Okay guys, let's cook. Baraka is on the back. We're going to a nearby tiny market to get onions. We come, we chop faster, and it's already his sleeping time because he has to wake up when the food is ready. Baraka's sleeping time. How does someone sleep from 10 to lunchtime? He might not be in the process of mixing for me food, yet it's something he really likes. He likes to help me with mixing food. Uh, uh, who is that? Who is that one? Yeah, that's you, eh? So just tell whoever is watching, tell them please subscribe. Yeah. So probably I'm going to finish cooking alone. I'm going to finish cooking alone because looks like my help needs to sleep, and get enough energy to eat the food, because it's like our favorite food. Let's go buy the onions, come back and put Baraka to sleep, finish cooking so fast that when he wakes up, his food will be ready and cooling for him to eat. And maybe after that, we even don't know what we're going to do. Like, this vlog is not planned. We don't know what we're going to do after that, but then who knows, we might go somewhere. The day is still young, right? Bobo, we go somewhere? Yeah. Can you believe I overtalk? Mama, if your mama talks like me, can you see? So I overtalk, and my voice is so sweet. They say a mother's voice is like the sweetest melody for the baby. So you see, I've been talking and someone has slept now. Wow, it wants to rain. Let me put Baraka to sleep and just get one of his small friends he plays with to get me the onions, because I don't leave my baby in the house. I don't. I don't know how people do it. I don't. I don't leave him in the house, whether he's asleep, whether for a tiny little bit. No. Yeah, so it's raining. Let me show you guys how I get him off the back. Okay. Just sit on the bed. This is his bed. So I sit on the bed, up and down, and he's going to be seated now on the bed too. I'm going to turn like this. So you open this downer thing like this. You open the downer part. Open this upper one. Don't release. Hold the baby. Then you release and guys, mom hugs will come in. Told you. It's raining. I believe you can hear. It's really raining. Really, what kind of sleeping is this? I'm talking, he can't wake up. Eh? Why did you get me sleeping for? Lord. Eh? So Mama loves you. Okay? Mama loves you. That's a good morning nap. And here is my granddaughter or son, I don't know. I think grandson or daughter, but my grandchild is right here. His favorite, so when he wakes up, he can see. You know how they say you can sleep when the baby sleeps? Guys, why do they lie to us? Okay, how are we supposed to sleep when the baby sleeps? Yeah, that's the only time we have to prepare the meal. That's the only time we have to clean up their mess. That's the only time we have for self-care. So now that Baraka is sleeping, we are finished to cook. I'm going to clean up. I'm going to... Yeah, there's not much to do because it's a weekend. And my face is messing up because it's almost that time of the month and we are home. We're not going to apply anything today. Just leaving the face to rest. Yeah. So I want Baraka to wake up when everything is ready, food is ready. So I've mixed the spices, the pilau masala, some bits of reiko and put. I thought I was filming, but I didn't. So chop chop, it will be ready. Chop chop, it will be ready. So let me fix everything together. How was your sleep? How was your sleep? How was your sleep? It was so nice. Yeah. Tell you what. So we're cooking together, and you fell asleep. Now, let me serve you your food. Okay? I serve you your food. You're so happy. My boy is happy. I'll bring your food, okay? You're smiling at baby Baraka. Baby Baraka. So our food really turned out nice, right? Baby, test and listen. Test and we see. Ah, how is it? Nice, right? Okay. Good. Push it in your mouth. Push it in your mouth. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Ah. Woo! Fell out. Nhắm nó. You don't want the yum yum, right? Who is the best cook? Who is the best cook? Mama. Who is the best cook? Mama and Baraka. People can see me. I want them to see you. It's all about you today. It's hard for you to eat. I eat it. So yummy. So sincerely, being a mom, be ready for this. Like, you're just going to end up eating food that just came back from somebody's mouth. And it's okay. Not so baby. So have you had what the chair does? Thank you for eating. Thank you for eating. Baby Baraka. Baby Baraka. I love you. I love you. You are my baby. You are my baby. Every day. Yes. I put this on my way. Big man has eaten. Okay, so we are back from shopping, right? And you people, it's funny. Baby, let me give you something. So we went shopping without money because I was like, I knew we were going to withdraw money from my phone and buy things. Then when we reached the supermarket, the phone had remained at home. Yes, for you, for you, for you. Yeah, you don't want it. It's yours. Another one, another one, another one. This is also for you, okay? To start brushing your big teeth. Okay? Mama's favorite. Mama's favorite. Mama's favorite. Mama's favorite. Yeah. Mama's favorite. We bought this. We have to keep them close. Baby, you know this? This is Mama's. Mama's, not yours. And yeah. Normally we use Dove. Where is your Dove? This one. We normally use this for. So we normally use this for his bath, but it's finished. And I thought we went to the supermarket without money. Don't ask us how we came back with things, but we went without money. We came back with this. I think this is good. They used to use it on most of the babies I saw when I was young. So you'll use this as we find time and go back for this. So that's yours, baby. Someone's favorite. Yay. Someone's favorite. So we also bought this. Baby, this one's also for you. They missed seeing you ride on the trolley. And Mama's favorite. You know, it rained, like I told you, the weather here switches like my moods nowadays. So it was really, really, really cold in the morning because it rained. But now it's extremely hot and we need to cool down. So we're going to cool down on this. Okay, baby? We're going to cool down on this. This is not the one for eating now. This is the one we're going to eat, but after the ice cream, okay? So this one, I will not put it in the fridge. It's nice, warm, just putting away things. And can you imagine, they saw me with a baby and they gave us one spoon. Baby, shall use your spoon, your small spoon. Yeah, so that's all we managed to get because we didn't have money. At least we got Pampers. I also got my Pampers. Pamper. And we're good to go. Yeah, baby, but you got most of the things I promised you. You need a spoon. Okay. Let's put away everything. Let's put everything away. Put this away, okay? But you're grown. Baby used to wear a size 2 when you were a little boy. Now we're on size 5.